Hello everyone, we will make pop as drink first of all. In one glass, ice cube, water, pop ice powder, and blender.
Step by step. Put water, ice cube, and pop ice powder into the blender. And blender. Then pour it into a glass. Ready to drink.
Hello everyone, we will make a juice drink. In one glass, 1 spoon, ice cube, water, blender, sugar, chocolate milk, avocado. Step by step. Prepare a blender and avocado. Put ice cube in a glass. Put water and sugar in a blender. Put the avocado in the blender. Pour chocolate milk in a glass that already contains juice. Ready to drink.
Hello everyone. We will make a juice drink. Ingredients: 10 strawberries, 5 tablespoons of sweetening, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 200 ml of white water, 6 small cubes of ice.
Step by step. Wash the strawberries until they are clean. Slide strawberries. Put them in a blender and water, sugar, sweetener, condensed, and eggs beat. Blender until blended and smooth. Ready to drink.
Hello everyone, we will make a green bean flour. Ingredients: green beans, coconut milk, brown sugar, ginger slice, salt, pandan leaf, water.
The steps. Step 1. Wash green beans and place in a large size pot. Add water as much as half the pot and simmer the beans until soft. Step 2. After the beans gently, put 1 liter of coconut milk, stirring constantly. Step 3. After the boiling coconut milk, put 200 grams of brown sugar, 1 vertebra of ginger slice, 2 pieces pandan leaves, a pinch of salt, and mix well. Step 4. Once the sugar is dissolved and well blended and slightly thickened, slowly remove and serve.